This is how you deposit funds and make withdrawals from your Finqalab account. Once you've signed into your Finqalab account, tap on the accounts icon on the bottom right of your screen. Now tap on the My Payments button. Once you click on the Deposit Funds section, you'll see three options to add money to your account. Option 1. Bank Transfer. It usually takes a few business hours for the funds to reflect in the Finqalab account. We recommend it for larger transactions above 2,50,000. Here you'll see your Finqalab account details. You must copy them and send money into this account from your personal bank account. Once you're done with transferring the money, you'll have to add some details. Your personal account title, bank name, account number, deposit amount, then click Next. Once you upload a proof of payment, you're done. Option 2. Payfast. Payfast allows in-app bank transfers, which means you can transfer money into your Finqalab account without leaving the app. However, please note that this option is only compatible with 13 banks and e-wallets, and your funds will be made available for trading within one working day. Here you'll need to enter some details such as your personal bank's name, account number, and deposit amount. Once you're done, you'll get a 6-digit OTP sent to your registered email address. Upon entering that, your deposit will be complete. Option 3. Instant Deposits. Instant deposits work the same as a bank transfer. Here, you can transfer funds from your bank account to your Finqalab account. We recommend this because it means you get immediate access to your funds. You will now see your Finqalab account details. You can send money into this account from your bank account. After your deposit is complete, return to the markets page to view your updated balance. Now you're all set to start trading and investing with Finqalab. Making a withdrawal. To withdraw funds from your account, go to Account, Payments, click on the Withdraw Funds icon. This will lead you to a page that mentions your withdrawable cash. From here, you can add information about the account you want the funds transferred to. This information is then saved for future use. Add in your account number, the bank name, and the account title should appear if all the information you have added is correct. Once your account has been linked, you can go back to the Withdraw Funds page. Tap on the Withdraw Funds button, enter the amount you wish to withdraw, select your account of preference, and continue. Verify your withdrawal by entering the OTP sent to your email address. Your funds should be available in your bank account within one working day. And that's about it.